Okay guys, we're back with another video today. Ew, those dandelions look gross. Those look bad, guys. Look, that looks disgusting.
They look good.
I don't think I want to eat them. Are they good? Ugh. Are they hot?
Yeah, they are hot.
They smell pretty good. This is a dandelion cookie, guys. That's bad.
Whatever.
That's terrible. Ooh, mine has glass in mine. Oh, that tastes really bad because I didn't wash my hands after I touched that freaking worm that had blood coming out of it. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, that's disgusting. Well, I'm sorry. See, I knew I'd waste my time going out there to get them and take some little freaking things off.
I think they're good.
I think they're terrible. Yeah, you guys can just watch my dad cook. I'll pause this for you guys. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna take you somewhere else.
The new Smokehouse Pizza. Only $9 and only at Little Caesars.
Pizza, pizza! Oh, that looks really realistic. I don't care about humanity. That freaking dandelion sucked. That sucks. So I don't know if dandelions will be good to you guys, but it totally sucked. Right here I get freaking good, like where it's not all freaking blurry. So this porch is like the best porch. It gives me freaking Wi-Fi. Oh, I'm like walking. Look out here, I even get good. Look at beautiful Petersburg. Oh. I'm laying in the grass. It feels so warm. I'm just messing. I'm laying in the grass. Today is such a beautiful day outside. I'm enjoying it even though the freaking is about to rain. I'm pretty sure. Dandelions, I go against you now. I'm sorry. You still smell good. I have to pee again. I keep on having to pee.